It's a chilly day out here in Texas. Feels good though. I'm gonna put this Highland to work this morning and get it going. I got my in-laws coming in, so I'm gonna cook them something up to eat. And ain't nothing nice, just waking up early, getting their smoker ready. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Some mesquite. Man, that is beautiful. Alright, I'm going to try to dial in the smoker now. Smoke's coming out already. Trying to get a thin blue smoke or no smoke at all. We'll see if the chilly weather has any effect on the smoker. Mesquite smells nice. Spare ribs. Gonna be some good eating. I got some chicken halves, sausage, some burgers, but this is gonna go on first. So let's close it up. Let's get to cooking. Which one to choose? Which one? Which one? Let's go with this one. Right on the firebox. Get it warm and ready. Beautiful mesquite. Temp's dropping, so more likely that wood split's pretty done with. Yep. It was at 250 and I was dropping in the 230s. So there goes that one. It's already pre-lit, so see how fast it catches. Look at that. So if you don't know, place your split on top of your firebox. Let it warm up. And that won't disrupt your cooking, keeping the fire management going, keeping your heat going. It helps to keep on moving, and you can just close it up and continue to cook, and then go and get yourself another split. Check out which one you want. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm not trying to go for high temps right now. You know, I'm trying to do it, keep it if I can around 250, around there. You know, just taking it easy on this chilly Texas day. Just like that. Let it warm up. Time to spritz that apple juice. 252 cooking grade level compared to that right there, 320. Looking good. 252 right there. Yeah. Looking good, right? Got very good. Spritz. Like that. Looking good, huh? Close it up, close it up. Don't want to let all the heat out, right? Now this is how you stay warm. Feels good to be sitting right next to it. It's a chilly day here in Texas. But kicking back, enjoying this Saturday morning. Hungry, but food's cooking, you know. And love this type of day right here. Alright, time for another split. Warm up. Man, that is beautiful. Let it catch for a little bit more. We're good to go. I'm gonna check the fire box. Going pretty good, don't you think? Check them out. Looking good. Yeah. I went ahead and I wrapped them in foil, and I got some chicken halves here. Yeah, if you can see it. Over a little bit. Place it like that. Place the other one just like that. Gonna be some good eating right there. Yeah. Some good eating right there. Alright, let's close it up and man, let's just keep on cooking. Right. Man, they smell pretty good, pretty good. That's what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? Chicken. Yeah. Alright, time to close it up and let it get firm up. Get the heat back on it. Keep on cooking.